Today I took a boat out to go fishing in Maryland. And not only did I catch 2 of these little things at once, because I got the magic touch, but for my next act, watch them disappear.
Where'd they go?
In my stomach acid.
Oh, gross.
Salty. For today's video, I'm in the beautiful, wonderful state of Maryland. And what better thing to do than on a sunny day than to go out on the water and catch some fish? So the water I'm in is the Chesapeake Bay, and it's home to so many organisms. And with us being in Maryland, obviously we got the blue crab, we got the eastern oyster, and we got the striped bass in the water. We got the osprey and the great blue heron in the sky. And watch where you step, because we got bumblebees, cicadas everywhere you go. So I can't fly, and I'm not 1 inch wide even on my body T. Let's focus on the aquatic animals. Today we're going to catch some striped bass, and 80% of the world's striped bass population is found in the Chesapeake Bay. They're also known as rockfish and striper, and they're about 2 to 3 feet and weigh about 10 to 30 pounds. They're this metallic-y colored fish with dark stripes along the side, this white belly, and can vary in color like olive green, blue, black, and brown. And to eat, this fish is firm. It's like a white flaky fish that's mild yet sweet. And some other fishes with similar flavor profiles is like the black sea bass, cod, and halibut. So with these milder fishes, you can get a lot of leeway with using bold flavors, acidity, vary the texture, you know the vibes, you can play around with it. But first, you gotta catch the fish. And in order to do that, you can use different types of lures for different types of fish. So we use this umbrella rig, also known as the Alabama rig, which is a multi-wired fishing apparatus to make it look like a school of bait fish to attract the fish we actually want to catch. And so that's how I caught these 2 fish at once. But don't take away my skills. Like, I still had to reel them in, and they were heavy. Like, excuse me, fat. They did not look like they weighed a lot, but I tell you, that was 60 pounds soaking wet. But once I caught that little sunfish, it sunk its teeth in me, and so its fate was sealed. So enjoy the rest of the video. Don't ask me for no measurements or none, because I cook from the heart. Roll the tape!
What can you say when love goes away that hasn't been said before? I have no rhyme that's different this time. There's no words to sing anymore. I haven't a clue why you went away. I only know you are gone.
Goodbye.
And I sit alone, my heart by the phone, and so I just listen to rain as it falls to the ground and washes the day away. Nothing to